Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn 5 complete hula hoop ring decoration ideas. By using just one ring, we can create 5 different backdrops for Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami or Durga Puja or any other kind of puja at your home. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I'll be creating a background in theme green color. For that, first you need a dark green color sari. Here I am hanging this on a wooden frame. You can even hang this on a curtain rod. For the tabletop, you need a dark red color sari with a minimal border, or you can even take a sari with no border. Now let's create a backdrop with hula hoop ring. For that you need a hula hoop ring of medium size, some orange and yellow garlands for that festive look. Now what you need to do is just attach one end of one garland with sellotape and the other end of the other garland with the same sellotape, and just start wrapping simultaneously both of them together, and you can see how nicely they are being wrapped. Similarly, attach the other ends with the sellotape. Okay, so here we are done with a floral ring. Remember to leave some space from the bottom of the ring so that it can lean or stand properly with the wall. Now assemble the floral ring and lean it towards the wall. It will not fall in any case. Now put some more garlands of pom-pom or any other kind of leafy garlands you want. Here I have a solution. If you don't have any chalky or pata, you can take a bed table, fold it. Now drape it very nicely with a golden or a shimmery cloth. This will give a very nice effect on red color sari. Now keep 2 petal diyas on the either sides. Lastly, use some warm lights, circuit or LED lights. So here our most simple and unique backdrop with hula hoop ring is ready. Now let's move on towards our second backdrop. In our second backdrop, we'll be using the same hula hoop ring, but this time we'll be changing the backdrop and the theme of the decoration. For our second backdrop, we are here opting dark blue or royal blue color. Firstly, I am using a dark blue color sari with golden borders. For the tabletop, we'll be using a silver dark blue shaded shiny cloth. To accompany the golden borders of the sari, here I am using a golden color cloth for the center. Now keep a bed table in the center and cover it with a royal blue color cloth having silver lines or any silver texture. Now keep our hula hoop ring with the wall and keep a chowki in the center. Now hang these circular multicolor Toran on the either sides on the dark blue color sari. Now use some warm lights or circuits and keep these petal diyas in the center on the either sides and light them with a tea light, or you can directly light them. So here our second backdrop in the theme royal blue is ready. Now let's move on towards our third backdrop with a wine theme decoration. So let's get started. Firstly, you need a hula hoop ring and a golden color net ribbon. Simply wrap the golden ribbon around the ring very neatly. Now take some small golden bell and attach it with a thin garland. Hang the bells in ascending order as you can see in the video. So here our hula hoop ring is ready. Now let's move on towards the decoration part. For that, firstly I am using a wine color sari as the base background. Secondly, for the tabletop, here I am using a wine floral cloth. For the center, I am using a dark color lilac embroidered dupatta. Keep a bed table in the center, cover it with a golden color cloth, then keep our hula hoop ring in the center, following with a cloth and a chowki in the center. Then put some white mogra garlands on the either sides along with some warm lights. Keep petal diyas on the either sides. And here our third backdrop with hula hoop ring is ready. Now let's move on towards our fourth backdrop. So let's get started. To make the floral ring, we'll need a large size hula hoop ring and some garlands of your choice. Now take these plastic garlands and wrap them around the hula hoop ring as you can see in the video. After patiently wrapping the garland around the ring, tie it with the help of a wire. As you can see, you just need to tie the wire in a loop without cutting it with the scissors. So here our floral garland is ready. Now let's move on to the decoration part. Take any sort of warm LED or circuit lights and fix it properly on the window or any kind of hangings. Then take a satin cloth of white color, hang it on the same window, or you can use some hangings, or you can even use some wires to just hang the curtain. After this, take some beautiful mirrored laces or garlands of silver color to hang on the white satin curtain. Further, take a bright red color velvet cloth and cover the uppermost portion of the table. You can cover the lowermost portion of the table with any old cloth you have. Now take some white and red garlands and cover the tabletop from all the 4 sides with these garlands. Attach these garlands to the table with the help of a safety pin or awl pin. Now assemble our floral ring and attach this too with the help of a wire. For some aesthetic look, here I have kept some golden vases and I have used them as a candle. Secondly, I have taken a silver bowl and dropped some real and leftover petals. Okay, so here our most unique red flower floral ring Ganpati decoration for Ganesh Chaturthi is ready. Just put an asan in between and it's completely ready. So here our 4th backdrop is ready. Now let's move on towards our 5th backdrop. For this backdrop, first you need some warm lights. Here you just need to hang these warm lights as you can see in the video, either on the wooden frame or on a curtain rod, or you can tie a plastic string. After nicely hanging the warm lights on the rod, we'll further hang over a white curtain on the same warm light we hanged. Now for the tabletop, use a nice golden shimmery cloth, lay it nicely on the table, then hang over a baby pink color net cloth or a dupatta on the same white curtain. Now take hula hoop and wrap it with a golden color ribbon. Take a nice pastel or a baby pink color garland and wrap it around the hula hoop ring as you can see in the video. Okay, so this time we are just wrapping one side of the hula hoop ring. Lean it against the wall and here you don't need any kind of support. Further, take white mogra garlands and hang it on one side of the hula hoop ring as you can see. If you want, you can add some stars and moons on the white mogra garland. So here our 5 most beautiful and easy backdrops are ready. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently. Have a nice day.